Welcome to Database of Talent, where you search talent by verified skills, not resumes. We validate reasoning, not rehearsed answers. Database of Talent. Stop trusting, start verifying.
I'm excited to learn more about your background and experiences.
Scores are generated under standardized role-based evaluation. Candidates demonstrate their skills inside a secure sandbox, isolated from external tools and cheating mechanisms. After execution, we test judgment. Candidates design systems under real constraints, and we evaluate the decisions behind every trade-off. Join Database of Talent and start hiring with verified evidence.